Coronavirus Sanitising Services. When you decide to treat hard exterior surfaces, choose Purple-Rhino Coronavirus Sanitising Services. According to government and health organisations around the world, bleach kills the COVID-19 virus on hard surfaces. Coronavirus Sanitising Services at Purple Rhino have available 25 vans complete with bleach spraying tanks installed. Our soft wash systems are made to spray sodium hypochlorite, aka bleach. Each van can treat thousands of square metres of hard surfaces in an 8-hour shift. Reduce the risk of coronavirus by sanitising car parks and walkways. Public areas such as football stadiums can be sanitised quickly. Car parks, including multi-storey, can be treated while still in use. Call 0800 157 7484 when you are looking for coronavirus sanitising services. Purple Rhino have the UK's largest fleet of sanitising vehicles ready to help stop the spread of COVID-19. purple-rhino.co.uk